Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel, where we bring you actionable tips to level up your business and finances. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic, maximizing ROI, financial secrets of digital marketing. If you're looking to stretch your marketing dollars, drive more conversions, and take your business to the next level, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you'll never miss an upload. And hey, give this video a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who's serious about their business success. Now, let's jump right in. Maximizing ROI in digital marketing. Financial secrets you need to know. Let's expand on each of the 12 steps to create a more comprehensive guide to mastering ROI in digital marketing. This in-depth discussion will help you unlock financial efficiency and maximize the impact of your campaigns. Number 1. What is ROI in digital marketing? ROI, or return on investment, is the cornerstone metric for measuring the effectiveness of your digital marketing efforts. It calculates the profit earned relative to the amount spent. Here's a deeper look formula. ROI equals revenue from campaigns, marketing cost times 100 ROI marketing cost revenue from campaigns, marketing cost times 100 example. Suppose you spent $1, 0 on a Google Ads campaign, and it brought in $5,000 in sales. Your ROI is 5,010 million 1,100 equals for 100% in million 5,000 1,100 equals for 100%. It matters. High ROI means your campaigns are working efficiently, while low ROI signals areas for improvement. By calculating ROI for each campaign, you can prioritize strategies that deliver the best results. Number 2. Understand the cost structure. Knowing where your marketing dollars are spent is crucial to financial success. Let's break it down. Fixed costs. These are predictable and recurring expenses like subscriptions to tools such as HubSpot, SEMrush, or Canva. Variable costs. These fluctuate based on activity levels like ad spend, content creation, or influencer fees. Pro tip, create a detailed expense report for your digital marketing activities. This transparency allows you to pinpoint areas of waste and reinvest savings into high-performing strategies. Number 3, target high ROI marketing channels. Different channels yield varying levels of ROI depending on your business and audience. Here's how to identify the best. Paid ads. Google Ads are ideal for intent-driven searches, while social media platforms like Instagram are great for visual products. Content marketing, blog posts, videos, and white papers provide long-term ROI by driving organic traffic and engagement. Email marketing, known as one of the most cost-effective channels, it offers a high ROI due to its low cost and high engagement. Actionable tip. Analyze past campaign performance by channel. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to see which platforms generate the highest conversions for your business. Number 4. Prioritize customer lifetime value, CLV. CLV is a measure of the total revenue a customer is expected to generate over their relationship with your brand. Here's how to leverage it. Why focus on CLV? It's more cost-effective to retain a customer than acquire a new one. How to improve CLV? Offer personalized experiences, e.g., product recommendations. Create loyalty programs to incentivize repeat purchases. Use email campaigns for upselling and cross-selling. Example, if acquiring a customer costs $50, but their CLV is $500, your ROI increases over time with retention-focused strategies. Number 5. Leverage automation and AI. Automation and AI are transformative tools for digital marketers. They reduce manual tasks and optimize spending. Marketing automation tools, platforms like MailChimp and HubSpot streamline processes like email marketing, social media posting, and lead nurturing. AI-driven optimization, AI tools like Google Ads Smart Bidding automatically adjust bids to maximize conversions within your budget. Pro tip, start small by automating one area, e.g., email sequences. Gradually expand automation to other tasks as you see results. Number 6, test, optimize, repeat. Testing and optimization are ongoing processes to ensure your campaigns remain effective. A/B testing, test different headlines, images, or calls to action CTA letters to identify what resonates best with your audience. Analyze performance metrics. Regularly review key metrics such as conversion rates, cost per click, CPC, return on ad spend, ROAS. Actionable tip, allocate 10% of your budget for experimentation. Use insights from these tests to refine your strategies and scale up successful campaigns. Number 7, use retargeting campaigns. Retargeting focuses on audiences who have already interacted with your brand but didn't convert. Why it works? Retargeting reminds potential customers of your offerings, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Platforms for retargeting: Google Ads, e.g., display remarketing. Facebook adds custom audiences. Example, if a user adds a product to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, retargeting ads can encourage them to return and buy. Number 8, minimize wasteful spending. Efficient spending is key to maximizing ROI. Here's how to identify and eliminate waste. Audit campaigns regularly. Stop investing in channels or campaigns that show low engagement or poor conversions. Optimize ad delivery. Adjust ad frequency to avoid oversaturating your audience, which can lead to diminishing returns. Pro tip, use tools like Google Ads Quality Score to ensure your campaigns are cost-effective. Number 9, focus on content efficiency. Content is a major driver of ROI, but it can be expensive. Maximize its value by making it efficient. Repurpose content, convert a single blog post into videos, infographics, and social media snippets. User-generated content, UGC. Encourage customers to share reviews, photos, or testimonials, which are cost-effective and authentic. Example, a product demo video can be sliced into smaller clips for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Number 10, monitor KPIs closely. Tracking key performance indicators KPIs is essential for measuring and improving ROI. Common KPIs include cost per acquisition, CPA, the average cost of acquiring one new customer. Click-through rate, CTR, indicates the effectiveness of your ads in driving traffic. Conversion rates measure the percentage of users taking desired actions, e.g., making a purchase. Actionable tip, use dashboards like Google Data Studio or Tableau to visualize KPI trends and spot areas for improvement. Number 11, leverage scalability. Scaling successful campaigns allows you to maximize ROI without reinventing the wheel. How to scale? Gradually increase your ad spend on high-performing campaigns. Automate processes. Use tools like automated bidding strategies to handle scaling while maintaining efficiency. Pro tip, monitor scalability by tracking ROI during the scaling process to ensure diminishing returns don't occur. Lastly, number 12, plan for flexibility. The digital marketing landscape evolves quickly, so flexibility is critical. Contingency budget. Reserve 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected opportunities, such as viral trends or seasonal promotions. Stay updated. Regularly monitor industry trends to identify new platforms, tools, or strategies worth exploring. Example, if a new platform like Threads gains traction, your contingency budget allows you to experiment without disrupting your primary campaigns. In conclusion, maximizing ROI in digital marketing requires a strategic approach, meticulous planning, and ongoing optimization. By following these 12 detailed steps, you can ensure your marketing efforts are financially sound and deliver maximum impact. And there you have it, folks, 12 powerful steps to maximize your ROI in digital marketing. Whether it's automating tasks, targeting the right audience, or scaling your campaigns, these strategies are designed to save you money and skyrocket your results. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, Filipina Landlord in America, for more tips and insights to grow your business and build your financial future. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your community and leave a comment. I'd love to hear how you're implementing these strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay motivated, stay strategic, and keep crushing it in your business. Bye for now.